Bryson City for a little bit of off the trails video today. We are at the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad and about to go for a train ride up in the Smoky Mountains. Last time we were here, we rode Hurricane Creek. This time, we're going by train. We did pass Hurricane Creek, and boy, if I was in my Jeep, I certainly would go. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Here we go. We're on our journey.
Here in the middle, so I can talk to you. Been to Murphy, North Carolina? There's a casino, so if you've been to Cherokee. Well, this is a stress test for the day. If we make it, we've done good. A lot of fishing in these creeks down here and rivers.
Fly fishing. North Carolina, they're just like that. It is. And then they're like, oh, when does this start?
We'll have to look it up.
Standing, they say there is, I don't know if you've ever are familiar with wormy chestnut, but of course the blight took it out years ago, but yeah, I don't know if you're in the field, you'll see them. That ain't wildlife.
Wood. Chestnut's a type of wood. Maggie has a lot of berries. They'll come over the mountain from Cherokee.
Slow start as we're making our way. This is a 22-mile ride through the mountains.
Oh my gosh.
It is summertime, so there is a whole lot of kudzu. Kudzu just doesn't seem to get killed, and it just takes over everything.
Oh yeah.
Lunch. We have to get while we're stopped here.
It is a donut with ice cream. It's the best stuff ever. That's how I got fat.
These machines that we have right here are actually able to reach underneath and take the railroad ties out and replace them. This is a stopping point where they give you about an hour to come out to the river. There's shops, places to get ice cream, and watch the people that are riding the rapids. I like jeeping because I can ride on trails like that and stop, get out, walk around whenever I want. We can stop for flowers. But it was really nice to sit in air condition. Number one, when you make your reservation, try to get a riverside, because the train does not turn around. It's a push-pull train. So that means whatever side you're sitting on is the side that you're going to be sitting on the way back. Two, come when it's cool so that you can get the outdoor train.
Yes.
That's nice. However, the first class gets you some good food.
Yes.
In the meantime, we're going to visit this little village where they have ice cream. So, upon the recommendation of our host from the train, she said the donut with the ice cream.
My brother-in-law is not into jeeping, but he is into biking.
I'll work here now. We do the Pole Express on New Year's Day. And it gets better. Take it from that. What you need?
That song, probably know the song. Probably know the song.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I got a hot rod more than a $2 bill, and I know it's hot right over the hill. There's soda pop in the dancing tree, so if you wanna have fun, sing along with me. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and ready, so we can go steady. That's about saving all your time for me. No more looking, I know I've been cooking. That's about keeping steady company. I'm gonna throw my date book over. I need one more margarita. I'll keep it till it's covered in tea. So writing your name on every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking?
The entertainment and the servers do accept tips, so make sure you bring a little cash with you for them when you're on the train. They would appreciate your contribution.
One of the ladies, her drinks are all finished.
Then they go back?
Then they go to different places. She takes them to different parts.
Oh, I got
But
it.
Orlando is only those 2 days.
I feel like Orlando takes a week on it.
Oh, did we tell you they do the Polar Express? And they have some exclusive rights to the content because their Polar Express is the best Polar Express.
But I did get about 3 students in the air and then it's very thick. But you're wearing a lot of protective gear, you know. A lot of this is yes, they do.
I wouldn't mind watching it.
Oh, that's a wrap. First class, air conditioned. You get a cup. What do they call these things? You get a tumbler. You get a travel bag.
Yep.
And you have air conditioning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm Matt,
I'm Randy.
and this has been a Off the Trails with FloridaJeepRides. We'll see you on the next video.